For a beginner, this might seem like the most boring part of investing. But if you dedicate enough time to it, you will have a massive advantage over the majority. Hi everyone, I'm Csongor from Market Addict, and today I'm going to talk about the most important element of investing: stock market psychology. In most places you only hear about technical analysis and magical strategies with 90% efficiency. But to actually apply this, you must have proper mental preparedness and understand the general behavior of the crowd in various market situations. Why? So you don't belong to the crowd. To quote Andre Costolani, he who runs after the crowd on the stock market is running towards his own ruin. The crowd usually rules. They make up that certain 90%. Therefore, if you learn that you must always do the opposite, you are already at an advantage. A good example of this is Tesla stock. In November 2021, when it was its all-time high, the crowd said, "Buy Tesla because you will miss out, this is the future." The losers bought here, and from that point it fell until January 2023. Then the crowd saying, "The bubble burst, there's no potential left, must has gone crazy," and they saw that loss. Meanwhile, the stock found support at the weekly 200 moving average. The certain 10%, the diamond hands, knew this was the time to buy and improve their average price. In a few years, they multiplied their investment, while the paper hands sold at a loss and didn't have any money left to buy more. Or perhaps they are just realizing it now at another peak. The first and most important rule: only start investing if you are willing to think long term. Long term doesn't mean months, but years. Minimum 5 to 10 years. Don't forget, in a good case, you will live to an old age, so you have time to get rich. We are optimists, so we hope for the best. As an investor, you cannot be pessimist. The "I want it now" mentality does not work. If you are capable of thinking long term, you will realize that for a stock with good fundamentals and a strong moat, price movement is just a noise. In the long run, it will grow anyway. So you must be prepared for your capital to be in the red many times. What are the biggest mental traps? The most important is FOMO, fear of missing out. That sheep mentality. When everyone, even your neighbor's cleaning lady, wants to buy Tesla or Bitcoin, it's already a late phase. Yet beginners and impatient people jump in here due to FOMO. Usually, after every parabolic rise, a correction follows. To the moon rises don't exist. This results in great financial damage for many beginners due to their inexperience, and they label the stock market for life as a pyramid shape. If we just stepped into the world of stock market, there's a good chance the market is in such an euphoric phase right now. The best thing you can do now is not to act. Don't buy. Just learn and set your money aside until they start beating the market and everyone is fleeing. That is when the time to buy has come. If you buy for the first time in such a market mode, you build your portfolio on such a strong foundation that you will endure later corrections much more easily. As Costolani would say, never run after a train or a woman. A little patient and the next one will come. It's the same on the stock market. If the mood is euphoric and everything is to the moon, don't run after the crowd. A new opportunity will come, just have patience. Ego is also a great enemy. You cannot always be right on the stock market. You need an analytical and adaptable mentality to always make the right decisions and not cling to your convictions. I have a few rules to ensure I don't jump in too early, don't sell in panic, buy at the right time, and don't stress every day over price movements. First, set up an investment strategy. Choose the method that best fits your personality. It could be price-independent DCA or a strategy combined with more active technical analysis. And stick to it. I will talk about strategies in later videos, so subscribe. Second, don't look at prices daily. Daily price movement is just noise. that ruins your mood but doesn't affect anything long-term for a stock with good fundamentals. Third, filter the news. Don't let your decisions be influenced by panic or euphoria mongering. The media lives off this. Fourth, don't use mobile trading apps. You will constantly be checking the prices. It's much more professional in calm environment at home on your computer. Personally, I look at the state of my portfolio once a week, and that is more than enough. Long term, it's advisable to analyze charts on the weekly time frame anyway, so I don't miss a single candle close. In summary, learn. Do not underestimate the significance of psychology. Do not run after the crowd. Do not accept specific stock recommendations from anyone before you have analyzed them yourself. If you like this content and are curious about more useful videos, subscribe.